Greetings to you. My name is Richard Irish. I'm a processing consultant. I've had the privilege of being involved in building and operating processing plants, mainly food processing plants, for a little over 40 years. And it's an honor for me today to just talk to you briefly about the subject of competing with excellence. I'd like to start with a simple statement, which is on the slide. Producing consumer products of a high quality standard at competitive prices brings four main advantages in the marketplace for the Malawian producer. The first advantage of producing a good quality and a competitive product is that one can dominate the local shelf space in the retail market. This is a picture that I took in the Longwe at a supermarket, and it was really good to see the locally produced oil being dominant on the shelf. It had more shelf space than imported products. It was very competitive price-wise. Its quality looked very good, clean labels, really good to see that. The second advantage is that a good quality competitive product will become very competitive also on the international stage. This is an interesting market where competition is fierce and standards are very high. So being able to get into that market will be possible when making a good quality competitive product. Also, making good products adds value to locally produced crops. This is so good because it means that the crops aren't simply shipped out as a raw material, but value is added, and this increases the return to the local farmer. Good quality products, competitively made, will also bring about sustainable employment of a local population. Local people who can be paid competitive wages and have sustainable and good quality jobs when food companies run efficiently. So what does it take to get to the point of competing with excellence? The first thing is it's important to have a high quality raw material. This is a picture of beans at a Malawian producer. Malawian produced beans. The beans are of good quality, analyzed for high levels of protein. It's a very good start to have a good quality raw material. It's also important to build state-of-the-art processing plants that keep up with world standards in terms of processing rates, processing unit costs, and usage of power and chemicals. It's also important to have highly trained operational staff, lab staff, operators, maintenance technicians. All of these need to be trained to a high standard in order to keep up with the world requirements. It's also important to identify the major metrics. These are metrics that all processors watch all the time. These include cost per ton, the unit energy usage, and just the general efficiency of the plant. This should always be improving because that's what everybody else is doing. Everybody else is improving, and it's important not to get left behind. And then finally, it's important to produce a really good quality product, a product of good design, quality of conformance, reliability, safety, and proper storage. Packaging has to be of good quality, and all of these components make for excellence in the marketplace, and this will ensure success and a product that's well received. Thank you for your attention.